Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. It is Princess Doretta and today I am going to be bringing you my first ever BoxyCharm. I'm so excited to be trying more brands and being able to get full-size products. I do enjoy Ipsy still. I just want to expand my horizons a little bit more because I am loving makeup a lot more. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have already seen a BoxyCharm before. So this is what it looks like. On the top here, then we have a card, and this says BoxyCharm, pretty edgy. And then on the back, then it lists all the items and prices. So we will keep that. Let's see, first thing is an eyeshadow palette. This was a free gift because with signing up, and this is the Beaute Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Open it. I'm sorry if you guys can hear some noise. My little boy is in here with me. Cam, you want to say hi? Say hi. You're looking so cute. Yes. Mwah. Alright, Papa. Get in and play. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have a little munchkin here with me. Anyway, this is the Beaute Scarlet Dusk palette. Okay, Bubba, you gotta let go. Gotta sit down. Dad. Dad's not here. Okay, let's open her up. Oh, these are gorgeous. Careful, Bubba. And these are the colors right there. Gorgeous orange, reds, and pinks in here. Oh, I have to swatch a few. I'm gonna do crimson, which is an orange shade. Pink Moon, which is a neon pink, Aurora, and Bahamas. Oh, these are gorgeous. That is Crimson. I think it's a little patchy. The next one is Pink Moon. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Next one is Aurora. And then this one up here is called Bahamas. And those are gorgeous shades. And this whole palette is really gorgeous, and I really feel like it'll take me out of my comfort zone a little bit. And I'm very, very happy with that. Definitely worth it already. Next, I'm just gonna go in here. I'll grab this one. This is the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron with cool tip. So style your hair in a professional, like a professional, with this mini ceramic curling iron. The compact design is safe for all hair types and has a max temperature of 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Create gorgeous curls with ease and keep hair healthy with even heat distribution and adjustable temperature controls. And this retails for $50. That's a lot. but let's open it up and take a look at it. I do not have a curling iron. Oh, this looks so pretty. I'm sorry, where I'm sitting is just not the best position. So it looks like they have a lot of products. Flat irons. Have a lot. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this purple color. And it does have a place where you can hold right here after you curl your hair. This is so gorgeous, and I really do foresee myself using this because I don't have any other curling iron. I do have a flat iron, but this is very cute, and I'm really excited about using it. Alright, let me get all okay. You okay, Bubba? Okay, next. Alright, so we have this KVD Vegan Beauty Signature Brow Precision Pencil. Just like a signature, your brows are uniquely personal. Signature Brow Precision Pencil allows you to create your dream brow shape with unprecedented control. The super precise elliptical tip is perfect for drawing hair-like strokes with an artist's precision. And this retails for $21. That's insane. And I got the shade Taupe. I don't know which side of okay. Let's see. This is very precise application. I've never used a brow pencil, so I'd have to really play with it, but this does look nice, and it has a spoolie on this side, which is definitely a plus for me. Next product is the BoxyCharm Hello Charmer palette. This exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day to night looks. And this retails for $39. It's insane. Taking it out of the package, this is what it looks like. This looks so gorgeous. What are you doing? My son is so. These are gorgeous shades. I'm going to swatch a few here. I'm going to do full size, pop up, and unboxing. So full size, pop up, and unboxing. Let's check these out. I don't know where to go. It is very soft and blendable. So right there, that's unboxing. That's Pop Up. And then right underneath that, I'm going to do Full Size. Those are really gorgeous colors. I'm still getting into colors, but these look gorgeous and I cannot wait to try them out. However, I would have liked to see a brand that maybe I could have bought in a store, but this is nice. I do get to play with color, which is the whole point. I do like the Ace Beaute one slightly more though. Okay, next we have Project Beauty Hairgurt Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. Did someone call for a hair rescue? This moisturizing and repairing hair mask is made with yogurt protein, prebiotics, quinta, our botanical oil blend, and shea butter to help repair and protect damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. Show your hair some care. And this retails for $10. And this is in almond honey. Are you taking a poop? It is sealed. I won't open it up because I do have some other hair products that I'm trying to use right now. But I'm interested in checking this out. And the last product in here is these Chella Slanted Tip Tweezers. Our Slanted Tip Tweezers features Chella's signature, a unique no-slip grip coating in stainless steel coated tips for precision hair removal. And these retail for $20. What? For $20, I don't know. I'm sorry, my son is making so many crazy sounds. I am interested in checking them out because I don't have any tweezers made specifically for plucking hair or anything like that. These are very nice. They do feel very sturdy. I like that right here. Then they're a little bit bigger so you can really get in there. Would I pay $20 for these? Probably not, but it's a nice product, but I don't know. I think my favorite product out of everything was my extra product, which was the Ace Beaute eyeshadow palette. Sorry, I'm trying to put my tweezers away before my son gets into them. And yeah. No, Bubba's. Nope. I'm sorry, that just moved. My son is playing with stuff that he shouldn't. Here, Bubs. But, I don't know. This is okay. It does give me a little bit more color to start playing around with, which is nice. I do enjoy this curling iron because I don't have one. The tweezers were meh. The brow pencil, I'm kind of excited for. I've never used a brow pencil. I've either just used brow gel or I just use some eyeshadow and use it as powder. but that does give me something. And this, I'll try it out, but I've never found anything that was like, ooh, wow, it actually works to repair my hair. So overall, I'm actually pretty pleased though. Gosh, shit. But yeah. You want to say bye-bye? Bye. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.